Marhaba, this is Sama from Kaleela, where you learn Arabic the right way through our website and application. To know more about Kaleela, visit our website, kaleela.com. Now, moving on to our topic of the day, where we will continue to talk about the Arabic alphabet and learn a new letter, which is the letter Ba. The letter Ba is the second letter in the Arabic alphabet. It is equivalent to the letter B in English. Ba is easy to pronounce and detect because it is identical to the English letter B. But unlike the letter Alif, it only functions as a consonant letter. It has several shapes. Its shape changes depending on where it appears in a word. Whether it comes in the beginning of the word, initial, middle of the word, medial, or ending of the word, final. Let's start with the standing alone shape of the letter Ba. Here you can see how the Ba is written, just like a long horizontal curve with a dot underneath. Before getting to know more shapes of the letter Ba, please note that there are some Arabic letters that can only be connected from the right side, as shown in the first group, and the rest from both sides, as in the second group. And since we're talking about the letter Ba, it falls in the second group, the letters that can be connected from both sides. Watch the video till the end to know how the letter Ba is connected from both sides. Now, let's take a look at its shapes, depending on its position in the word. First of all, we start when it comes at the beginning of a word. Initial, as in Bahar, which means sea. It looks like a long horizontal curve that is cut in half with a dot underneath. Now let's move to the second shape of the letter Ba, which is medial, when it comes in the middle of a word. Here we have two cases. The first case is when it's connected from both sides, as in Jabal, which means mountain. Here it is connected from both sides and looks like a long horizontal curve that is cut in half with a dot underneath. The second case is when it is disconnected only from the right side, as in Babel, which means Babylon. The Ba here looks like a long horizontal curve that is cut in half with a dot underneath. Always remember that the second group letters are always connected except if they are preceded by a letter from the first group, just like in Babel. Ba is in the second group, but it is preceded by the Alif from the first group, so it is disconnected from it. And the last shape of the letter Ba is final, when it comes at the end of a word. Here we have two cases. The first case at the end while being connected to the previous letters in the word, as in Ushb, which means grass. The Ba here looks like a long horizontal curve written from right to left with a dot underneath. The second case at the end while being disconnected from the previous letters in the word, as in Ab, which means father. Again, when the letter Ba is preceded by a letter from the first group, then it is disconnected and looks like a long horizontal curve written from right to left with a dot underneath. After knowing all the shapes of the letter Ba, why is it connected in some cases and disconnected in others? We conclude that the letter Ba always comes connected when it is surrounded by letters from the second group, as in Jabal. Jim falls in the second group, and it also comes disconnected from the right side only when it is preceded by letters from the first group, as in Bab. Alif falls in the first group. Fun fact, although the letter P is not found in the Arabic alphabet, when an Arabic speaker tries to pronounce it, they use Ba, not P, as in the example Pepsi, which is Bepsi. To wrap it up, let's highlight the main points discussed in this video. The shape of the letter Ba changes depending on its position in a word. We're going to display a table that summarizes the cases of the letter باء, whether it's connected or disconnected. In the initial case, it only comes connected, as in بحر. When in medial case, connected as in جبل, disconnected from the right as in بابل. And the final case, connected as in عشب and disconnected as in أب. That was it for the letter باء. Differentiating between the shapes of the letter باء is essential. We hope this video was helpful. To know more, you can subscribe to Kaleela through our website and application and enjoy the 7-day free trial. Salam.